All right, I'm going over the geometrics that if those at home can use, they're using geometrics. If they can't, then they're doing just test out. I'm going to go ahead and show you a few things about geometrics. The actual certification test that you'll be taking with Certiport.com is set up just like geometrics is. You will see project 1 of 7 or 7 of 7, or like this one 5 of 7. You will also see a time. The time lets you know how much time you have left. Here's the summary, which the summary lets you go back to other projects. When you grade the project in the real test, it's just going to take you on to the next 6 of 7. And there will not be a save on that one because in the test you don't need it. In here, though, they do give you a help. So if you're on task 1, it says rename the untitled section into intro. If you didn't know how to do it, you would use the help and go through it. If you know how to do it, you mark it complete and go to the next task. The next task will say what to do again, but it tells you, here's slide 3. So the first thing I would do after I read slide 3, it'd be to find slide 3 and see it wants this picture. Here's the image. And look, it automatically opens up a new tab to use called Format. So with this one, if I look for keywords, it would say apply the rotated white style to the image on slide 3. Well, the first thing it tells me is what slide. I've gone to it. I'm doing something to the image, so I need to click the image. That's my keywords to know how to complete this. It wants me to do something with the image, and here's the different styles. So I'm thinking that would be it. Once I finish it, I would go to task 3 and read what it says there. Look at when it says 2 images. Reposition the center image on slide 5. Well, it told me I need to be on slide 5, and it said I'm doing something to the center image. Soon as I click that, I can know I'm going to format, and it wants me to do something with it. I'm going to probably align it, and I would look, is there an aligned center, and say okay. Once I know it's done, I just mark complete and I go on. If I don't know it, I would mark it for review. I need to get all my easy points. So if I don't know something, I'm going to mark it for review and come back at the end so I don't waste time with it. Now, I'm going to stop with geometrics, and I'm going to allow test out to come in. And here's test out. With test out, I'm looking at your trainings. Test out, you are to do PowerPoint, and the PowerPoint is number 6. On number 6, already you should have 6.1.1 all the way to 6.2.8. Many of you are already in 6.3 and down to 6.4. That's fine. You need to get all the way to 6.10 with a 90% or better to move on. So everything in 6.2 at this point should be worth a 90% or more. When I go to grade your work, I have to go to my school. Then I would go into your class period. I would come over here, and it would say view reports. Now I look at the different reports, and I can go into an individual report, or I can go into a class report. At that point, it will tell me what you have accomplished and what your percentage is. I expect you to be monitoring what you're supposed to be completing, and then you can fill out your document for this assignment. Thank you, and make sure you're paying attention in class. Have a good day.